It's adorable.
Oh, look at him.
Oh my god. Yeah, just body press him there. Jump on him.
It's in it. I found it.
I found it. That's exactly what it looked like too.
There, look.
Oh, good, and the mirror works too.
Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, is that cute? Have you got a shot of that too?
Yeah, and the mirror was
In the
helping.
mirror, yeah, where you can see their faces.
He's like, what's that?
Yeah,
Cat toy.
you know that statue that your mom and dad had, Gail?
Yeah.
And it's got a shiny face just like that. Sometimes Bricks will go up there and start barking at himself. It's so
Oh,
cute.
yeah.
you see himself in there.
Oh, God. It's gonna.
I think it's got catnip in it.
Yeah, rip that salmon up! Yeah, I'm gonna beat your ass, salmon!
Yeah, that's gonna snap. Catnip's
Yeah,
gonna
it's
go
gonna
flying.
There it goes. Snap.
Is that catnip gonna go flying all over the place?
No, I think it's.
That was a great shot through your legs, Ma. He just came running out of there with a salmon in his mouth. That was funny. Oh, there. He just jumped over me with it. Right between the legs.
Mom, I haven't seen you laugh this hard in a long time.
Well, that's good. It's hard for me to follow that. Oh, that was a crash bang.
Almost.
You got hold of it. Trying to.
Wait, Leo hung on for a long time. That was amazing.
Open your leg up. There you go.
Oh, that was so
There you go.
Oh, look at that. I think Leo got tired of running.
Leo
That
never
was
gets
so
tired of
cute.
running.
Those are precious.
Oh.
There he comes again.
He looked behind him to see if he was being followed. Chris is getting pissed off. Chris is getting a little mad. But it's good because they'll wear each other out. Running around.
He ran right into the stoop there. What in the world? He smashed right into it. That was so funny. He's trying to hide. Look at that.
Get Bricks. Get Bricks. Okay. There we go. It's funny when Bricks gets it too, because he'll do the same thing. It's really funny. Leo wants that thing like nobody's business. Alright, guys.
Matt, you can just hear teeth snapping.
No, that's that thing, Rick.
No, I know. And people say pit bulls are hard and evil.
Yeah.
Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, look at him.
Oh my god, that was so cute.
That was so cute, but they posed for the camera.
Yeah, they did. Now it's a posing.
You gotta look. You gotta watch this. It's the